Hello, my name's Miss Amy. I'm one of the children's librarians here at Monroe County Public Library. And for today, for preschool fun, we are going to do our own little makeshift campfire for the indoors. So it's pretty simple, low-key craft. The ingredients, or supplies I guess, are paper towel roll. And this one I actually have cut. You can use either a toilet paper roll or paper towel roll. If you use the paper towel roll, you just need one. If you use the toilet paper roll, you'll need two. But let me kind of move my little pieces away real quick. So this is super low-key craft to use pretty much what you have around the house. And get super fancy with it. I know you can't see it. This is like pretty much your little campfire nightlight. Plus s'mores. Okay. So this is the ooh and ah part. This is what it looks like. It's not much, but it's fun making it. So, like I said, paper towel roll or toilet paper roll. I have a plastic cup. We're just going to use a portion of it. We're pretty much going to cut, and grown-ups will cut this part for your kiddo to where it looks like this. So it's the bottom part with the top open. And then the next part of is tissue paper. So we have, what type of colors do you think a fire has? There's no right or wrong answer because I've pretty much seen a fire of every color. But the color is this. Can you see? Yellow. Yellow. What color is yellow? What can you see around you that's yellow? Maybe the sun. The sun's kind of a mixture of all these colors. We have, what color is this? Red. Then we have, what's this one? Can you see? Orange. All right. So, this is just tissue paper. So, what you'll do is you'll cut your paper cup, or your plastic cup, your grown-up will, so that you're left with this little dish. And then you're going to simply take glue. This is a simple Elmer's glue. It would help if I opened it. And we're just going to make a big circle of glue. And then you're going to pick your first tissue paper and put it on, like that. So you're going to go all the way around. You can alternate colors, kind of like I did here for flames. So all the way around. And then this part right here, you can add different textures to it. So the way you get this little kind of crunched up tissue paper, you can hear my kitty right here. Yep, hi Gaston. Is you're going to take tissue paper and you're going to squish it in your hand, okay, until it's a teeny tiny little ball. And then you're going to take glue after you've put the little squares all the way around your candle holder, and you're just going to make kind of a bottom layer of all this crunchy paper right here. And this doesn't have to be in any sort of pattern. It's whatever you want your flames to be. So as you can see, I just put a few more little squishy up papers on there. So that's the hard part. The next step is to cut your paper towel roll. So you're going to have a grown-up help you with this part, but we're going to make it into 4 pieces. So first we're going to do it in half, roughly in half. Okay. And then you're going to take one piece that you cut in half already, and you're going to cut it in half again. So you're left with a long one and 2 short ones. So what you're going to do is pretty much make an X with it on the ground, right here, like that. And then you're gonna take your candle and put it right here in the middle. And this is a different paper towel holder size than the one, but my other one flew off in front of me, so. Whoop. So the next spot or part is to get popsicle sticks. So I would suggest something thinner than this one, but this is the only one I had. So this is what we're using today. So all we did is, if you have cotton balls, or if you have white tissue paper, you could do that too. Because what color are marshmallows? They're white, at least until you cook them over a fire. So you're gonna take your stick, okay? And you're gonna put a dab on one end, like that. And then you're gonna take your cotton ball, and you're gonna put it on that dab of glue. And then you're gonna do the exact same thing to the other side, so that you're left with your marshmallow stick right here. So you're gonna be cooking it over your fire. So this, I'm gonna try to, well, I can't really turn off the lights because it's daylight, as you can see, but this is gonna be a really cool night light for you. And you can have like your warm in your hands. What else can you cook on a fire, do you think? You could do hot dogs. You could do corn on the cob. But s'mores is probably like one of my favorites. S'mores with maybe a Reese's cup and some graham crackers. So this is our little campfire craft, and I hope you had fun making this. It's, like I said, very low-key, easy craft. A little nightlight for you to use. So thank you for joining me. Have a great day. Bye.